So in the previous episode we layered our vector image in Adobe Illustrator, and in this part we are going to animate our vector image with Adobe After Effects. So hope you enjoy. And now we have to open the Adobe After Effects 2021 or the Adobe After Effects you have. So I'll drop a link in the description below so you can get these softwares for free, and it is totally free. It is pre-activated, so after you get that you can do this. So after this is loaded, so you have to create a new project like this and double tap in this area, and you can see here, and we have to open the file we have just saved in the Illustrator. So I have to import, and I like to import this as a composition and a layer size, so I set that to side and okay that. So we have to double click on this office the composition file like that, and there's the ones we have got. So I'm going to first right click here, and in here we have to make a null object and just press and hold these and go whatever. So there's now something like null one in everything in our Illustrator file. So now let's keep that aside, and we have to block this background. We don't need that now. So this is the wall, right? So let's animate this wall to pop up from bottom. So there's something called the position tab here, and you have to click this stopwatch kind of icon here. So it is not there, but it is gradually increasing. So I'm going to get here and relocate this. So I'm going to go to the bottom and there. So let's kind of test it out. Oh yeah, that will be the opposite direction, sorry. Yeah, wait. Now, and I'm going to delete that, and now we have to go here, and now let's bring it up where it was. So right there, and let's check it out. Just hit the space button and it will automatically go on. So it is looking pretty good. So I'm going to move this leg we have just separated from the main image. So there's something called rotation here. So before that we have to go move this anchor point to right here. So like, yeah, you don't want to the leg to be kind of dizzy like thing, so this is the right thing, right? Let's see. Yeah, that's the right thing. And so we have to you have to click this icon and move this send anchor point to right over here. Yeah, Oh, maybe, yeah, that's fine. So now we have to again click the stopwatch icon in the rotation tab, and I'm going to like 4. Yeah, that's cool. So you can go ahead and do that, and I'll catch you after I do this again. So you can shrink the time the animation is going, and you can like that. And if you do like this, the video is start here and stop here and again loop. So let's see how it works. Pretty good, right? So now I like to, now let's see, these icons should pop up from the bottom like the wall. So let's forget about this and wait, this and like that's both things, right? So we have to now create a new null object. Wait, we have to delete this null object. Now let's create a new null object. Now let's select these two files and click and hold this, and there, and there's the null too. So now we can if we animate this null to object, we can the same animation is going to these two objects. So I'm going to this position tab here, and let's go to the first, and like, oh yeah, you have to go to kind of like, yeah, right. So here, and oh yeah, let's get it right here, and right here, and now let's get this to the same position, right? So let's see how it goes. Looking pretty good, right? So now you have the question, how am I going to render this and export this? So firstly you have to go to this file and go to export and click add to render query. So there's must be a window popping up now, and you can click here and name that anything you want. Like, I'm going to state that, and the best setting is good, lossless is good enough. And now let's you have to render this, and depending on the animation you have done, the time will vary, and that's the sound of done, saying done. And you can, another thing is that the file after you export is like 3 or 2 GB, so you have to decrease the file size. So I'm going to use another tool called VLC Media Player. You must have heard that, right? If you don't, you're under a rock. So let's get that media player open, and the file in that Adobe Illustrator, I mean the Adobe After Effects rendered file type is, I think, AVI. So click this convert and save thing, and select that add tab, and let's find our here it is. Now click this open file and select this convert dash slash save. Now you can get anything like video for YouTube, HD, SD, and there's a lot of file types here. I'm going to go with video for YouTube HD, or maybe for lower things, and this is good for me. And we have to browse to the file location, we have to save that. So I'm going to save here and select start. So there's an indicator showing how much is done. So now I think our file is converted to MP4. Let's see. Yeah, MP4. Yes. Now our file is converted. Let's see how it goes. Wait, this is not the one. Wait, have I? Yeah, you have to select the right one. So I'm going to remove that and add that again. Here it is, and open that and go to that steps I told you, and select start. So let's go here, and I think this is the one. Yes, this is the one. You can see how it goes. The same one, right? You can make anything out of this, like anything like making a birthday card or advertisement to anything like that. So that's all of my video, and I'll be doing a whole lot videos on this topic. So hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and like this video, and see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.